Hello, welcome to Burgers and Tech. I'm Cheeseburgersman, and this is Tech Bits. This is I'm gonna try to make this a daily show, maybe twice a day, but hey, we'll see what happens, how good the reception is, and see where it goes from there. But basically, what the show is gonna be about is news that I read every day about what interests me in the tech world. And there was something that came up recently, the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Now, this one is a picture of the Galaxy Z Flip. I'm not a big fan of the Galaxy Z Flip line whatsoever. For one was the price tag. That's what really turned me off about the phone. $1,700 for a phone? Are you kidding me? When the iPhone 10 was $1,000, I thought that was way too much. Now the Samsung, of all people, not even Apple, they were asking for $1,700, and they were out of their minds. Well, that was the first, and then the second generation was $17.99. And then again, as soon as I saw the price tag, I didn't even look into the specs, and I just said, forget this. I don't even, well, why even buy that? That's not even a price of a phone. And that's why I think the popularity wasn't there. I think most of that money went into R&D, I'm sorry, not RNG, research and development, and that's where all that money's going. It's got to cost a lot of money to make foldable phones. Now, I still don't like the design. There is a crease in the middle, in the midsection. You can't really see it right here, but I'll link the video to Phone Arena, which is where I'm getting this information from. And you can see the screen crease, which I'm not a big fan of either. And another thing is the camera was terrible. We'll get to the price right now, but for the price range, I mean, you can buy a really nice phone for $700 with a decent camera, 5G connectivity, and pretty much what you're paying for is a R&D on this hinge right here. Yeah, it looks nice, but these are the colors that it comes in. Now let's go over the specs. So, whoops. So it is expected August 27th. So that's a couple weeks as of this video. 6.7-inch display when it's fully opened. The camera is a 12 megapixel dual camera, 10 megapixel front camera. Then that's when it's open. That'll be in this area right here in the front. So let's zoom in right here. Whoops. So it comes with Snapdragon's newest chipset, which is the 888 with 8 gigs of RAM. Comes the price tag coming in at a modestly priced $999, $1,000. So given the $1,000, it only comes with 128 gigs. I mean, come on. We have phones 2 years ago that the standard was 256. I don't know why Samsung keeps going backwards. Of course, you know, they're always going to try to follow Apple. And I don't know why Samsung just doesn't try to differentiate itself from Apple. And even this phone, from the side, it's reminiscent of the iPhone 10 from the side. A 3300 milliamp battery, which is pretty bad in today's, but they got to fit it somehow. And Android 11. Pretty much what I don't like about this is, to me, this phone should have been priced around $700 for the specs that it's giving out. Yeah, it's a foldable phone, but yeah, I mean, it's not there yet. At $1,700, it wasn't there. At $1,000, it's not there. I don't know what they were thinking when they made this phone, but I think they have another flop on their hands, unless it's going to be highly discounted by T-Mobile, Verizon, or what have you. You know, trade in your phone and pick this one up for $300. But I don't see many people, unless they're going to review it, they're not going to be picking up this phone. Your daily user, you can pick between this and an iPhone 13 with better cameras, better everything, better screen. And the rumor is that there's going to be 120 gigahertz refresh rate on the iPhone 13. They're definitely going to pick the iPhone 13 over this. This is something, yeah, it's cool, but I'm definitely not going to be picking it up. Hey, hope you enjoyed the first episode of Tech Bits. Like I said, I will try to make this a daily thing, short clips of tech news that interests me, and eventually I'll have burger bits as well, but starting off with Tech Bits. Hey, I want to thank you guys for checking out this video. Check out my socials, they're right there. Instagram, Cheeseburgersmann, you can see what Cheeseburgersmann eats every day. Twitch, I try to stream every day. And my Twitter. If you like this, hit that like button. If you really liked it, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day, okay? Take it easy.